We are back. Welcome to the U.S. Business Tax Preparation course brought to you by the Borderless Accountants. We are inviting you to join our community. Live training backed by U.S. CPA firm, recorded, replayable, and most importantly, it's free. To join, like and follow us on all of our social media handles from YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and fill out our unified Google form to gain access to our exclusive BA lobby on Telegram. Wanna be an intern or have the potential to be employed by our partner firms? Join us on www.borderlessaccountant.com so we can monitor your progress in our courses real time. See you there!
Na record.
Natapat ko anak yung t-shirt.
Naging ay kick out yun. Ako lang. Start tayo ng face reveal ka ngayon. Ako host nag-face reveal. Kakanta daw muna si Miss Lani bago tayo magka-host. Parami muna tayo guys. Sing Miss Lani. Uy, grabe si Jobel.
Oh, Miss Lani.
Si Dexter na lang. Rehearsal. Sige na Miss Lani. Mag-start na lang tayo ng kahot mga 7:10 kasi maliit. 45 pa lang tayo. Kamusta na yung Saturday nyo ngayon? Saturday. Friday nyo po ngayon. Guys, pwede mag-open mic kasi hindi pa tayo nag-start. Pag 40 pa lang baka
Nasa cemeterium na daw yung iba. Busy pa ako sa work kaninang morning and then I have some errands in the afternoon. So kakauwi ko lang, nag-dinner, tapos ito, session.
Sabi mo
Walang study dito.
kaya yan. May pupa si Miss Juki.
Siguro Kelly, let's allow 5 minutes then if wala talagang masyado kasi baka nga nasa ano na sila, alam mo na.
Oo nga,
Cemetery na yung iba kaya parang konti today.
Ay, oo nga. Kasi Halloween pa daw ngayon.
Or maybe nasa biyahe pa uwing
Yes,
probinsya,
kaya
mga
siguro
ganun.
konti. Pero wait na lang tayo until 7:10, tama lang.
Nagbakasyon pala sila. 7.
Sabi ni Cherry, 40 plus lang daw, baka maka-top 5 na daw siya. Go, Cherry! Ako ang iyong cheerleader
Aral
ngayon.
na aral yan eh. Habang nag-exercise, nag-aaral.
Oo nga, nag-aaral.
Yeah.
Sana ako nakapag-aaral.
Binabalikan ko lang yung mga hindi ako masyadong nakinig kasi minsan away from keyboard ako eh. Pag may nag-aral ba kayo? Kasi may diagnostics tayo. Medyo mahirap yun compared sa Kahoot. Mga sinasagutan natin na 2 questions kay Glyme, parang mga ganun yung questions niya. Per topic, 20 questions. If nanonood kayo ng EA Review Individual, ganun po yung diagnostic questions, mga ganun. Ayan.
Pala later pati pa ng stock knowledge. Stock knowledge.
Yeah, stock knowledge muna. Hindi ako sasali, ako yung magbabasa.
Pwede din ako magbasa. Tayo?
Ako na lang, Kelly, so mag-grip ka. Kasi ako pwede naman akong mag-answer anytime nun eh. So, ayan.
Wala daw silang kopyahan kasi.
Hindi pa ako review ng ganon, yung sa Glyme review. Kasi, ang dami pang yung ginagawa. Hindi pa ako nag-focus masyado.
Nandyan
Kahot-kahot
talaga
lang.
Nandyan si Mary Kay.
Okay lang yan, sabi naman ni Chris, di ba? Huwag daw magkopyahan. So, mag-ready
Yes,
kayo ng
tama.
pen and paper. Parang assessment sa
Tama o mali,
self-assessment.
gora lang.
Yes, self-assessment yun. So, hindi porket nakita natin, uy, maraming A, makiki-A tayo.
Ako nga,
Sure,
minsan iba sagot ko, hindi nala ako sumasagot kasi nakakahiya, mali ako.
Doon lang tayo sa sure. Doon lang tayo sumagot pag sure tayo.
Yung iba, sa review, ganun ginagawa. Sumusulpot ng pag-sure.
Ako yun. Kasi nandyan pala si Kelly.
Siya daw yun, tapos mali pa yung sagot niya. Alala ko yun, Kelly. Alala ko yun, Kelly.
Parang wala si JR.
Pag-on
Tahimik.
cam na ako kasi
Consider talaga.
Ayan.
Nag-lipstick ka ba, girl?
Hindi pa po, nakalimutan ko nga wait
mag-lipstick
lang.
ka na, dali.
Naka-live pa man din.
Online,
Nakaplansya pa buhok ni Cherry, in fairness.
online
Hindi,
makeup
bagong ligo
tutorial.
ako, hindi, bagong ligo ako.
It's natural, eh.
Ako kasi wala
Hindi, rebanded kasi yung buhok ko, kaya pag bagong ligo, siya.
Bagsak.
Well, I'm opening the Glyme material. So everybody, please prepare your paper and pen. Ayan, para you can record your answers and also you can track yung kung saan kayo parang kulang or
Saan kayo
saan
nagkulang?
kayo magaling, yan, na topic, 'di ba? Test your knowledge, kumbaga, Tinatry ko mag-straight English, hindi talaga. Sorry.
Si Marian Rivera.
Wait, i-close ko lang yung work ko kasi makikita dito.
Kasi
Masaya.
all the exercises has been done, saka pa lang, saka pa lang malalaman yung sagot, right? Kaya, yan. Kailangan daw i-take down notes of your answers so that you can at least check your
Yes.
answers as well.
So, everybody, naka-ready na yung pen and paper. Pa-unshare pala.
Ayun, sorry. Get ready for the next battle.
Can anyone see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, our first topic is yung business entity. This is... Nag-start agad. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, tapos na.
Okay, question 1. Lake Corp, an accrual basis calendar year corporation, had the following year 1 receipts. Year 2, advance rental payments with the lease ending in year 3, 125,000. Lease cancellation payment from a 5-year lease tenant, 50,000. Lake had no restrictions on the use of the advance rental payments and renders no services. What amount of income should Lake report on its year 1 tax return? Letter A, 125,000, B, 50,000, C, 75, or D, 0. Yung sagot ko na lang is kung sino yung pinakamaraming may answer. This is 28 minutes, pero I think kaya to ng no more than 28 minutes.
Kailangan may i-type. Di ba dapat nakatago?
It's i-type. Pwede rin mag-jot down yung ibang nahihiya. It's okay. Pwedeng you can do both para kung ano yung majority, masagutan ko. Yan. Ako, A din ako. All answers in na. Next. Kasi may ano to eh. Generally, all of the following entities may use the cash method of accounting except an entity with no inventories and average annual gross receipts of 30 million or less. Siguro maganda tayo ganyan. B, a family farming corporation with gross receipts of 30 million or less. C, a qualified personal service corporation. Or D, a corporation that has long-term contracts. The answer is all answers in. But can you do a thumbs up if all answers are in so we can go to the next question? All answers in. I think all answers in. So D is the majority. 3. Which of the following statements about the cash method of accounting is true? A, an employee who receives $10 in tips a month working for an employer must report the tips to the employer by the 15th day of the following month. B, prepaid rent is deducted in full when paid. C, a promise to pay without more is not payment. Or D, expenses paid in advance can be deducted in full in the year in which they are paid. Answers in. The question is true. So, majority is D. Next, number 4. In order to adopt a fiscal year on its first federal income tax return, the taxpayer must A, attach a completed Form 1128 to his or her fiscal year basis income tax return. B, maintain books and records and report income and expenses using that tax year. C, get IRS approval. Or D, file a short period return. Fiscal year. So majority is A. Next. Number 5. Erin earned $1,000 in interest in 2022. Erin withdrew $700 in 2023 and $300 in 2024. How much of the original $1,000 should Erin report as interest earned in 2024? A, 0, B, $700, C, $1,000, or D, $300? Question is 2024. All answers in majority A. Next. Number 5. In which of the following situations does a change in accounting method require consent of the IRS? A, making an adjustment in the useful life of a certain asset. B, switching to LIFO inventory. C, correcting an error in computing tax. Or D, switching from declining balance depreciation to straight line. So majority is B. Okay, next. Ay, sorry, 7 na pala. Number 7. Which of the following would not be an acceptable tax year? A short tax year that occurs because a business changes to the accrual method of accounting. B, a 52 or 53-week tax year. C, a short tax year that occurs because a business changes its accounting period. Or D, a tax year consisting of 12 consecutive months ending on the last day of the month. Not. C, my answer is also C. So majority C, number 8. Number 8, which of the following inventory practices is recognized for tax purposes? A, none of the answers are correct. B, deducting from inventory a reserve for price changes in the value of the inventory. C, treating all or substantially all indirect production costs as period costs that are currently deductible. D, separating indirect production cost into fixed and variable production cost classification and then allocating only the variable cost to cost of goods produced while treating fixed cost as period costs that are currently deductible.
Kasi mahaba.
According to experience, kung sino yung mahaba, di ba?
Gawain natin sa individual, pag mahaba yung
Okay. And so, okay, majority is D. Okay, may sumasagot pa. Number 9. Next. Under the lower of cost or market method, what is the value of the following items that should be included in closing inventory? Ayan. Narinig mo, mic on ako. Sorry, si mother. Ayan. Ayan. Please compute na lang, no? 8, 1, 250, B, 800, C, 1,000, or D, 1,050. This is lower of cost. Ano ba yung lower of cost? 1, 2, C. Okay. All answers in. Majority is C. Next, number 10. Alena is a voice and singing coach. She is a calendar year taxpayer using the accrual method of accounting. On November 2, 2023, she received 3,200 for a 2-year contract for 64 one-hour voice and singing lessons beginning on that date. The contract provided that Alena gave 8 lessons in 2023 and 48 lessons in 2024. With the remaining lessons to be given in 2025, what is the amount that Alena should report on her 2024 return? Calendar year accrual method. Okay. Majority C. Number 11. Parang ako lang may sagot na A. Which of the following individuals is not considered a related party for deducting expenses on the accrual method? A, brother, B, half-sister, C, step-sister, or D, mother? Not. The answer is dumadami yung C. Majority is C. Next, number 12. Mr. Y, who uses the LIFO method in computing his inventory, had 1,000 units left at the end of the current year. Based on the following information, what is the value of Y's inventory on December 31? A, 3,000, B, 2,500, C, 5,000, or D, 4,000. So, LIFO method. 15 minutes left. Last in, first out. So, answer is B. Anong majority? Iba-iba. Wait, bilangin ko muna. 4. Majority B. Next. Number 13. Which of the following statements regarding accounting method is false? A, change from the accrual to cash method of accounting requires consent from IRS. B, if inventories are necessary, the accrual method is used for sales and purchases. C, a combination or hybrid method is not an acceptable method of accounting. Or D, under the cash method accounting, gross income includes all items of income actually or constructively received during the year. I think it's C. Okay. Dali lang to, okay. Number 14. Permissible methods of accounting for taxpayers' taxable income include all of the following except A, the cash method, B, all other answers are permissible methods of accounting, C, hybrid, or D, accrual method. Me too, it's number 14. Majority is 14. B, may nag-C pa, okay. Pero majority is still B. Okay, tama, 15. Mr. B properly uses the lower of cost or market method of valuing his inventory. This closing inventory for the current year consisted of the following. What is the value of this closing inventory? Yung mga accounting dyan, please help me. A, $50, B, $650, C, $350, or D, $1,150. Lower cost. So, under lower cost, ang ifa-follow natin is which is the lower between the market value and the cost. So, 300 plus 100 plus 650. I think it's B. Majority is B. Okay. 16. In September 2024, Charlie, a self-employed lawyer, performed legal services for a client that has a men's clothing store. In payment for his services, Charlie received store credit of 3,500 in 2024. Charlie uses the 1,500 of his store credit in 2024 and the balance in 2025. How should Charlie include the income? Ito na ba sa choices, guys? For me, it's already for A. Okay. D. Dami ring D. 1, 2, 3, 4. But majority is A. 17. Matt West, a cash basis taxpayer, owned interest in several corporations. The Wireless Corporation made a practice of sending dividend checks out of all shareholders on the last day of December, so the shareholders would not receive them until January. West received a $50 dividend check from Wireless on January 3, year 2. The Palace Hotel Inc., in which West was an officer, mailed its dividend checks in the same manner as Wireless. However, West's $400 check was placed on his office desk on December 31, year 1. West owned a controlling interest in Gambling Salon Inc. and told the bookkeeper not to write his check, which was to be for $6,000. Even though all the shareholders' checks were written and delivered in December year 1, how much dividend income does West have in year 1? So, meron parang constructive receipt rule. So, okay, my answer is A, which is majority. Sino majority? E, 450. So, sino majority? 1, 2, 3. Mahirap tong question na to. A is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tatlong D, tatlong C. Baka meron pang gustong magdagdag ng answer. C. Majority is C. Oops. A. A. Majority is A. Okay. 18 na. Next question. Number 18. The following methods of accounting for inventory are considered acceptable except A. Trade discount method, B. First out, C. Cost, or D. First out. So, parang obvious yung answer, no guys? Wala naman trade discount method. So, A. Next, number 19. One of the elections a new corporation must make is its choice of an accounting period. Which of the following entities has the most flexibility in choosing an accounting period? A. S Corp, B. Personal Service Corporation, C. Partnership, or D. C Corp. I don't know the answer, but I'll guess. Majority is S Corp. Last, number 20. May sumasagot pa. Which of the following inventory valuation method requires less than 1% variance percentage? A. Lower of the cost or market. B. Cost. C. Specific, or D. Rolling average. Less than 1% variance percent. Majority is A.
Truth.
All answers in. I will finish the test.
The moment of truth.
Baba natin, guys. 55. My gosh, wait. I will remove the chat box para di nyo kita. Ayan. So, we are very good in accounting methods, inventory valuation, and accounting periods. Oh, let's review the quiz. Sa those who have jot down their answers, you can check. So, number 1, yes, the answer is incorrect pala. Yung AA yung sagot ko. What is the answer? The answer is C, 175. The 125 and 50,000. So, lease cancellation payment for 5-year lease tenant. Kasama pala siya. Year 2 advance rental. Ito lang sinama ko kanina, 125. Bakit display only the ano? Yan. Number 2. 2, we are correct. So, a corporation that has long-term contracts. I will give you 30 seconds to view. Number 3. Which of the following statement about the cash method of accounting is true? Ayun. A promise to pay without more is not payment. A cash method, taxpayer deducts expenditure when actually paid, except for prepaid rent. A promise to pay without more is not a payment. Yeah. Okay. Number 4. Oh, mali rin tayo. Maintain. Maraming may sagot ng B kanina. Marami ding, pero mas marami may sagot ng A eh. So, the correct answer pala dito, in order to adopt a fiscal year on its first federal income tax return, the taxpayer must maintain books and records and report income and expenses using that tax year. Tama nga naman. Okay, number 5. Tama tayo dito. Erin earned 1,000 in interest in 2022. So, ibig sabihin nun, income niya na lahat yun noong 2022. Ginastos niya lang noong 2023 and 2024, pero income niya yun noong 2022. The question is, magkano yung interest income noong 2024? So, 0. Number 6. In which of the following situations does a change in accounting method require consent of IRS? So, yan. Everybody naman correct dito. LIFO, switching to LIFO inventory. Number 7. No, mali ulit. Which of the following would not be acceptable tax year? Ayan. Feeling ko short tax year. Yan. Ito sagot ko eh. Yan. A return for a period of less than 12 months is required when either a taxpayer's annual accounting period changes or a taxpayer has been in existence for only part of the year. Thus, a short tax year cannot occur because a business changes to the accrual method of accounting. Next. Take time na rin to screenshot no habang yung iba dyan para kung gusto nyong balikan. Which of the following inventory practices is recognized for tax purposes? So, mali tayo dito. Tigline kasi usually, di ba, pag may all of the above, none of the above, yun yung sagot. So, yan ang haba. Na, ang answer is A. The following are some of the inventory practices that are not recognized for tax purposes. Deducting a reserve for price changes or estimated amount of depreciation. Ayoko na basahin, screenshot nyo na lang, guys. Yan. 30 seconds for the screenshot.
Hindi may screenshot, Cherry, yung question. Nakatago yung question.
Okay, pwede ko i-up. Yan.
Sige, thank you.
Yan, guys. Sorry. I-screenshot ulit.
Naka-record ba tayo? Para pwedeng balikan?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Done, screenshot. Okay, next. Number 9. Oh, mali tayo dito. Yata sagot ko dito eh. Ano ba sagot dito? OUB. Ako, lower cost. So, under lower cost market method, what is the value of the following items that should be included using closing inventory? So, this means na kung sino yung mas lower cost, yun yung susundin mong amount. So, dito, X, the 450, tignan natin, 450. Then, KY, yung 100, and yung KC is the 250. That would be 800, letter B. Ayan. Hindi ako nakisagot dito eh.
Tumamba ako.
Okay, then screenshot po. Number 10.
Fairness, nakatama ako doon.
This one, yung voice and singing coach siya. Yung sagot ko dito eh. Nanghula lang ako. Mahirap pala to. 28. 28. Ayan. Pa-screenshot. Why 28? Kasi sabi niya dito, there is an exception that allows accrual method taxpayer to defer recognition of advance payments up to 1 year. So, Aliana must recognize the $400 in 2023 for 8 lessons given. She must recognize the balance 28 in 2024 because the income cannot be deferred more than 1 year. So, magkano yun? 32 minus 400 to 811. Which of the following individual is not considered a related party for deducting expenses on accrual method? So letter C, stepsister. Tama tayo guys. Defines a related party as brothers and sisters, whether by whole or half-blood, spouse, ancestors, and lineal descendants. Kasi ito lahat, by blood. Siya lang hindi. Ayan. The answer is 25, LIFO method. So, last in, first out. The question is, may natitirang 1,000 units left. So, kung last in yung uunahin natin, so may matitira sa mga na first in, which is the inventory 500 and 500 in the September 5. So, 500 times 2, the cost, yung kukunin nyo. Ito. 500 times 2, and then 500 times 3, that would be 25. Hindi ko alam kung mapapaliitan ko. Ay, kahit pala paliitan. Na-screenshot parehas, pati yung computation. Right? 13. Which of the following statements regarding accounting method is false? So yan, a combination hybrid method is not an acceptable method of accounting. So, sa QBO natin, parang na-explain to, diba? Na meron naman talagang hybrid method sa accounting. So, yan. Screenshot, guys. 14. Permissible methods of accounting for a taxpayer's taxable income includes all of the following except. Yan. All of the answers are permissible. Cash, hybrid, and accrual. Lahat yan pwede. 15. Hindi ko nakikita yung chat box. If 15. The question is B's closing inventory. So, lower of the cost. So, again, pag lower of the cost, which is lower between the market value and the cost. So, KL, it's 300 plus M na 100 and N na 250. That would be 650B. Ayan. Screenshot the computation and the question. Next. Yeah, 16. Ang question is, how should Charlie include the income? O yan. Tama ako dyan. Kasi, yung income niya, nakareceive siya ng services, nakareceive siya ng payment nung 2024. And nagawa rin naman niya yung service nung 2024. So, walang kinalaman si 2025 doon. So, all the income is from 2024. 3.5. Next. Ano pa ba? Ayan, yan lang naman yung sagot. Ang question is, how much dividend income does West have in year 1? So, yan. 6.4. So, tama din ako dito. Kasi, meron tayong sinasabing constructive receipt rule. So, yon kahit na-receive mo na yung receipt, kahit hindi mo siya i-encash, basta nasa yun na siya, or na-recognize mo na siya na meron kang ganung matatanggap, counted siya as income. So, dito, yung isa na 50, kasi may sumagot na 450, di ba? Yung 50 kasi next year pa yon, hindi pa niya na-receive yung cheque. So, that does not count in your 2024 income. Tapos, ito namang 400 check. So, na-receive niya na siya, although nasa desk niya, hindi niya wini-withdraw. Pero, counted na yon, automatic, ano na yon, recognized na yun as income, yung 400, as well as the 6,000. Kahit hindi pa niya pinagawa yung check, pero sa record, meron siyang 6,000 na matatanggap. Okay, 18. The following methods of accounting for inventory are considered acceptable except, ayan, trade or discount. So, lahat naman nakakuha nito kasi ito lang naman talaga yung method natin ng inventory. First in, first out, yung may average cost pala, tas cost, then last in, first out. Okay. Parang ngayon lang ako nakarinig ng trade discount. 19. One of the elections a new corporation must make is its choice of accounting period. Which of the following entities has the most flexible? Ang sagot ko dito is the C Corp. Tignan natin. C, it's the C Corp. Kasi C Corporation may elect either calendar or fiscal year. S Corp and personal service corporations are required to use calendar year, and partnership must use a required tax year. O yan, guys. Although parang kanina medyo marami rin sumagot ng C Corp eh. Siguro may lamang lang na dalawa ng A. Na-screenshot na, guys. Pwede na nating i-end review. It's 8 o'clock. So how was it? Ano muna tayo? Refresh muna tayo ng utak, guys. So, konting ano muna dyan. How was it? Failed. Yes, we failed. But it's okay. Mahirap talaga yung mga questions sa GLIME compared sa Kahoot, diba? Guys,
Anong answer nga anong sa 19?
19. Wait lang.
Sorry naman.
Parang
Na-end
ano
ko na
yata.
eh. Hindi ko na siya mababalik pag
20
na-end ko
ay
siya.
hindi.
Answer nyo na
Kasi
lang yung sa chat box
yung
yung mga
number 20 po, anong sagot? D, yung sa C Corp? Wala yung 20 eh. Hanggang 19 lang tayo, Che.
Mm.
Nga, 19, nagulat din ako,
19 lang
19.
po.
C lang yung
Lang,
19.
20 wala.
Bakit kaya no? Ay, wait lang.
Inend na agad.
Check ko. Baka pwede natin balikan. Pwede pala. Hindi ko na next.
Hindi.
20. Ayan, sorry.
Hindi ako.
Yun. Yan.
Okay lang.
Okay,
Anong
which of the
correct
following
answer niyan?
invention, mali pa tayo dito, hindi natin malalaman pa yung tamang sagot kung hindi walang nag-ano, diba? So, thank you. Ayan, hindi ko alam tong variance na to. Ayan, parang hindi na naman natin to naaral eh.
Rolling average. So, mali nga
Naaral
din
ba
ako.
natin to? Hindi no. Ayan, screenshot nyo na lang guys, then ito yung pinaka-entire answer.
Bagsak ako. I only got 13 out of 23. That's only 65%.
Ayan, so malalaman nyo guys yung kung nag-jot down kayo lahat ng sa paper and pen, yan, malalaman nyo yung total scores nyo
1,
kung
2,
ilan
3,
kayo.
4, 5,
Yan.
6,
Kaya much
7,
better
8,
if isulat nyo yung
9,
sagot
10,
nyo para
11,
makuha
12,
nyo kung ilang
13,
percent kayo. Nat dito sa number 20.
Hala, 11 lang ako.
Oh,
Na,
Kasi dapat, di ba, sa EA review, at least 80%.
yeah.
Oh, ready na ba lahat sa next topic? Next topic. Wait lang, hanapin ko pala. Introduction pa lang pala to, guys. Wait, ha? Saan na tayo? Nalito ko, sorry. Ito na tayo, number 2, income and farm. Right? Halatang hindi ako nag-aaral, oh. Hindi ko pa sinasagutan. Attempt 0. Let's start. It's 8:07. Ano to? So this is 16 questions only, guys, for the income and farming. So number 1, mute, guys, please. Teka lang. Sorry. I-mute ko po yung ano para clear yung exam. John, a cash basis taxpayer, is a salesman. He held $100,000 of merchandise in March 2024. His commission is 2% of sales. In November 2024, he received $2,000 in commissions for those sales and an advance of $7,000 in commission for future sales in 2025. What amount must John include in his income in 2024? A, 3,167, B, 0, C, 9,000, or D, 2,000. Cash basis, majority C. That's also my answer. Number 2. Who of the following may use farm income averaging, assuming farm income rules are met? A, natural person filing a Form 1040, a partner in partnership, an estate, and a trust. B, natural person filing Form 1040, a partner in partnership, and a shareholder in a C corporation. A, natural person filing 1040, a partner in partnership, and a shareholder in an S corporation. D, a natural person filing Form 1040, a partnership, an S corporation, and a C corporation. I'm not sure.
Like it's a bounce.
Mini, mini mo.
It's between C and A. I think para sa akin, it's A. So, majority A. Still have 20 minutes. Okay, may humahabol. Number 3. Which type of income is not subject to self-employment tax? A, non-employee compensation. B, distributive share of partnership income. C, wages, salary, and tips received as an employee. Or D, net profits from sole proprietorship. Oh, guys, madali lang to, guys. It's C, guys. Kasi self-employment. Pag may wages ka, employed ka. Next na to. Number 4. Light Corporation transferred its own stock to one of its creditors in satisfaction of the $15,000 debt. At the time of the transfer, the stock had a fair market value of $14,000. Light is a solvent corporation. As a result of the transfer, Light will recognize income of, so may utang siyang 15,000 pero nag-transfer siya ng stock. C is the mostly the answer. Bakit parang ako lang yung gustong sumagot ng D? Ayan, may kasama ako sa D. Ayan, o sige, go
Ako
guys.
din, D, 0.
Kasi stock yung payment eh. So, sino na?
D na, D.
4. 4 against 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Ay, may humabol sa C. 5:5, guys. Ayan, 6. Okay, C. Ayan. Oh, Mary Chris. Wala na. Parang ayoko kasi yung C eh. Gusto ko yung D. Ayan. Para kasing, pag
meron
nagre-review,
na,
pag,
may humabol pa si Dex, oh.
pag
Meron, D na,
nagre-review
D,
kasi
D
kayo
pa.
ng individual, pag nag-payment, pag mga transfer ng stock, it's not income. It's like capital gain or short-term, parang ganun, diba? Ganun siya papasok, hindi siya income. Yes. Na-explain ko na yung
Yeah.
sagot.
Mm-mm.
Naaral namin to
Yes,
sa
D na.
individual, Pag mali ako, nakakahiya. Sorry. Number
Marami
5.
naman daw tayong nag-D eh.
Yes, marami tayo. In 2023, Rex, a sole proprietor of Bayview Wrecking, had a gross income of 200,000, a business bad debt deduction of $6,000, and other expenses of $156,000. Bayview Wrecking employed the accrual method of accounting and used the specific charge-off method for bad debt. In 2024, Bayview Wrecking recovered a $4,500 of the $6,000 previously deducted in 2023. What is the correct way for Rex to report this recovery? A, report 4.5 as reduction of bad debt in Schedule C in 2024. B, report 4.5 as other income on Schedule C in 2024. C, report 4.5 as other income on return Schedule 1 for 1040 line 8 in 2024. D. Report 4.5 as other income on an amended 2023 Form 1040X return.
B or C?
Ako din I'm thinking C rin. Pero, sige guys. B
Specific
or
kasi masyado ang C. May line, may...
Okay. Pero wag kayo
Kasi
masyado
command.
maniwala
So,
sa akin Hindi ako nag-aral. Stock knowledge lang.
Schedule 1 or Schedule
1,
C?
2, 3.
Schedule C, di ba?
Okay. Majority B para makausad na. 1, 2, 3. Majority B. Okay. Next. Number 6. Farmer Bob sold a breeding cow on March 8 for $2,500. Expenses related to the sale were $250. Farmer Bob deducted $1,000 in cost of raising the cow during the years the cow was raised. What is Farmer Bob's gain or loss on the sale of the breeding cow without regarding the uniform capitalization rules? A, 1,150, B, 350, C, none of the answers are correct, or D, 2,250. The question is, gain or loss on sale. So, pag may livestock, di ba, gain or loss siya, hindi siya part ng income. So, tama naman yung tanong niya. Cost. Answer. Huwag po mahiya magsagot. Hindi ko alam yung sagot, guys. Majority is... Hala, iba-iba, guys. D, C, ang dami ding C. C is, majority C. Sige. Number 7. Which of the following statements with respect to farmers is false? So A, wages received as a farm employee are gross income from farming. B, a farmer will not be charged with an underpayment penalty if all estimated tax is paid by January 15 and Form 1040 is filed by April 15. C, gross income from farming includes farm rental income. D, a farmer will not be charged with an underpayment penalty if Form 1040 is filed by March 1 and all tax due is paid. Mahirap pag stock knowledge. It's between A and D. Doon ako nag-iisip. Okay, answers in, I think A. A. Okay. Number 8. Shady Deal Corporation agreed to purchase the services of an expert appraiser as a consultant over the next 2 years. Every 6 months, the appraiser will value artwork owned by Shady Deals for purposes of determining the resale value. Shady Deal paid the cash basis appraiser $20,000 on December 31, year 1, for work to be performed in June and December of both year 2 and year 3. Shady's an accrual basis calendar year corporation may deduct. Okay. So, nagbayad siya ng 20,000 pero it's good for ilang years yun? Okay. I think B rin. All answers in na ba? Number 9. Diba accrual siya, guys? I think it's ako din magbabago ko ng sagot. Yeah, marami pa yan. 5. Pero majority B. Sige, tatandaan ko to ha. Ako, di sagot ko. List your answers para alam. Okay? Number 9. Accrual kasi siya Mr. Stern owns an apartment house for which he provides no services to his tenants. On December 1, 2024, he received $2,400 payment for the first 6 months rent in 2025. 6 months rent in 2025. He also received security deposit of $400. What is the amount of gross rental income of Mr. Stern should include in his 2024 income tax return? On December 2, 4, and another 400 deposit. 28 D? Marie Chris, gayahin mo yung sagot ko. Ba't anyo isama yung security deposit? Hindi naman sinabing refundable. Sige, bala kayo. A, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Sa bookkeeping, pero sa tax, sige guys, B. Malalaman naman natin later. Number 10. For self-employment tax purposes, which of the following is not considered earnings from self-employment? So A, guaranteed payment received from a partnership by a limited partner for services he or she has performed. B, salary received by a corporate officer who is also the sole shareholder. C, net profit of a delicacy operated by a sole proprietor. Or D, Distributive share of income from an operating partnership received by a general partner. And self-employment, from the word self-employment, which is not an earnings. So, it's B, majority B. Yes, salary kasi siya, 11. The receipt of an agricultural program by a farmer for refraining from growing crops should be reported as A, rental income not subject to self-employment tax. B, farm income subject to self-employment tax. C, miscellaneous income on Form 1040. Or D, farm income not subject to self-employment tax. Agricultural program payments by a farmer. Agricultural program payments. C.
Iba kasi form ng farm eh. Form F siya, di ba?
Yes. Ako di. Ang lalayo ng sagot ko, guys. Parang wala akong kakampi lagi. Ayan, C, majority.
Saan ba yung Form F?
Ang Schedule F is for farming income po. Included
Yes
the
po.
rental income sa farming. Yan. Kumbaga, di ba pag rental E is for rentals. Schedule C is for
C is for
Ayan. Which of the following statement with respect to farmer is true? Sorry, number na pala tayo? 12. 6 minutes na lang, guys. A, income reported on Schedule F includes gains from sale of farmland or depreciable farm equipment. B, the sale of livestock raised on the farm results in capital gains. C, a farmer is exempt from paying estimated taxes. Or D, the sale of livestock used for breeding purposes results in capital gains. Okay, my answer is D. Majority, D. Okay, let's go. 5 minutes. Number 13. Ayan. Sally, a calendar year cash basis taxpayer, operates a used furniture basis in a building she owns. At the end of the current year, her basis in the building is $175,000. And the difference between the building's $100,000 value and $150,000 mortgage reflects countrywide declining real property values. Because Sally's ability to make full payments on the mortgage that was taken out 2 years ago has decreased with demand for her inventory, the lender reduced the principal amount of the mortgage to $120,000 at year-end. Which of the following statement is the best answer regarding the mortgage principal adjustment? A, Sally must either report $30,000 of gross income from the current year or reduce the property's basis next year. B, Sally must report $30,000 of gross income on her current year tax return. C, the $30,000 adjustment is not includable in gross income for the current year. Or D, Sally must reduce the property's basis on the first day of her tax year. Parang ang hirap nito. D, majority. D. B, okay.
Wala na akong masagot.
Hindi ba pag mahaba siya yung sagot? Di ba, oh, may kasama ako sumagot ng A. Feeling ko bagsak na ako ni di ba?
Feeling ko din, bagsak ako dito eh. Parang hirap.
Majority is, okay, wait lang, marami ng A. 5. B, D, 1, 2, 3. 3, okay. C, A, marami. Last 3 minutes, dapat 1 minute na lang per guys, maubusan tayo oras. Bill, a partner in Williams Sonic, is a calendar taxpayer. Williams Sonic's partnership year ends on June 30. For the partnership year ending June 30, year 1, Bill's distributive share of partnership profit is $4,000. On August 20, year 1, Bill dies and his estate succeeds to the partnership interest. For the partnership year ending June 30, year 2, Bill and his estate distributive share is $6,000. What is Bill's self-employment income on Schedule E? Form 1040 for year 1. Number 14. Schedule E o C? C din ako, C. Ayan, mag-next na tayo guys kasi wala ng oras. Number 15. Qualified farmers have the following choices to file their tax return without incurring any penalties. A. File and pay 100% of the tax due by March 1 each year, or pay one estimated payment for 2/3 of the tax by January 15 and file and pay balance by April 15. B. File one estimated payment for 2/3 of the tax by January 15 and file and pay the balance by April 15. C. File and pay 100% of the tax by March 1 each year. Or D. File and pay the tax due by April 15 each year. Ako A, kasi parang may 2/3 akong nabasa last time.
A daw kasi mahaba.
4, 5, 6. Maraming may B. Sige, B. Kasi we only have 1 minute, guys. Number 16. William J., a cash basis taxpayer, was the sole proprietor of an electronics business. He recovered 6,000 of bad debt in year 3 and had written off in year 2. This year 2 deduction reduces taxes by 1,560. His marginal rate was 26%. He shipped 8,000 of goods on consignment, but they had not been sold by year end. Late year 3, Mr. J sold his business for 40,000 cash, but he did not include the goods on consignment. When his business in the business asset was 20,000, Mr. J also signed an agreement not to complete the buyer for which he was paid 9,000 in year 3. Mr. J's year 3 gross income from this transaction is, guys, we only have 26 seconds. Bilisan nyo na. Hindi na tayo nakapag-isip doon. B, oh. Sige na, B. Finish test. Hindi ako nakapag-isip doon, guys. Kailangan ko ng tubig. 60.
At least improving from
Sige,
55 to 60.
kuha lang akong water, guys. Wait lang ah. Review quiz. Sumasak na yung lalamunan ko. Show yung mga correct din. Ayan. So, bakit number 2 na agad? Number 1.
Keep ka ng ano.
Okay. Number 1. John 8. Ang tanong dito is, what amount must John include in his income? So, 9,000. Yung 2,000 and yung 7,000. Okay. Number 2. Yan. Who of the following may use farm?
Tama na
S
sana ako, binago ko pa eh.
S corp. A, sagot ko dito. So, mali ako. Number 3. Which type of income is not subject to self-employment tax? So, everybody naman, ito yung sagot. C. Kasi wages nga naman siya. 4. Okay. 1,000. Yan. So, tama pala yung kanina na 1,000, no?
May
Ginulo ko lang
1,000
pala.
pala.
So, tama pala yun. Kasi sa
Market
individual,
value pala ang ano.
di ba
Market value
sa
pala ang...
individual pag ano,
Oo, wala siyang...
hindi siya kino-consider na. Anyway, sabi dito, taxpayer including corporations must recognize gain from the discharge of indebtedness. If corporation transfers stock to its creditor in satisfaction of indebtedness, it will have income from discharge of the indebtedness to the extent that the amount or adjusted issue price of the debt satisfied exceed the value of distributed stock. Therefore, the amount of gain included in Light's return is 1,000. Okay. Dalawa na mali ko.
Market value. Parang tama naman siya. Parang mali lang yung understanding
Yan.
natin.
Question is, what is the correct way for Rex to report his recovery? Ayan. Report for, tama tayo dito. 4-5 as other
tumama
income on Schedule C. Ito pala yung sinagot ko kanina kasi mahaba. Pinakamahaba. Na-screenshot na. Farmer
Wala,
Bob.
binago
Oh,
ko
mali.
pa.
Ang sagot ko dito, yata eh. Tingnan natin. 2250D. May sumagot ng 2250 dito eh. So, ito lang yung binawas.
Yes.
25 and
Tama ako
250.
dyan.
Sabi niya kasi
Okay.
dito, had already
At
received
least
a tax
nakabago.
benefit. Okay. Because Farmer Bob had already received a tax benefit from the cost tracing the cow. So, he cannot offset the cost against the proceeds. So, it's against the, yun lang income mo and expenses on the sale. So, 25 less 250. Okay. 7. Which of the following statement is false? So, tama tayo. Wages received as a farm employee are gross income in farming. So, hindi kasi wages is, ano to? Ito lang kasama. Gross income, farm rental income, gains from sale of livestock. 8. Tama tayo dito. Shady as an accrual basis calendar year corporation may deduct. Okay.
Yes, tama
10,000.
yung ano, B.
Dinivide
Kasi
natin.
accrual siya eh. Ang answer mo dyan, di ata.
Wala na akong tinama, guys. Sabi, huwag kayo maniwala sa akin eh. Okay. Next, number 9. Mr. Cern owns an apartment house of which he provides no services to his tenants. On December 1, 2024, ito yung 24. Yan. At di yung sagot ko dito. Di ba wala akong tinama, guys? Ang galing ko talaga.
Ako nga sagot ko dyan eh, kaya hindi ako
Ako
sumagot dyan.
dito, 8, dinagdag ko yung 400 na security. Bakit di niya sinama? The security deposit 400 would not be included in rental income since it was not intended as advance rental payment. Okay. Nasa isip ko kasi advance rental payment.
Pag hindi pala siya. Okay.
Okay, gets ko
Tama.
na. 10. For self-employment tax purposes, which of the following is not considered earning from self-employment? So, salary. Yeah, tama tayo dyan. 11. The receipt,
Oh.
itong hindi ko alam to eh. Aba, wala tayo tinama yan. Oh, B. May sumagot kanina ng B di ba? Yan.
Subject to
Ako,
self-employment.
marami. Yes, marami sumagot ng B kanina pero kasi mas marami yung miscellaneous. Ayan. Hindi ko to nabasa eh. Siyempre, mali ulit ako. 12. Zero yata ako dito. Which of the following statement with respect to farmer is true? O, ayan.
D.
Ayan, tama tayo dyan. Ang haba nito. Ayan. Yung tinatanong niya dito is, which of the following statement is best answer regarding mortgage principal adjustment? So, in-adjust yung principal niya. So, Sally must either report 30,000 gross income for the current year or reduce the property's basis next year. Yan. A, sagot ko dyan. Sa mga sumunod sa akin, tumama rin kayo. 14. Ayan. Question. What is Bill's self-employment income on Scheduled E 1040 Year 1? 5,000. Okay. Yan. Screenshot. Hindi ko naintindihan yung tanong na to. 15. Eto, marami ring nag-iba-iba dito eh. Oh, di ba? Sabi sa inyo yung mahaba, yun yung sagot eh. Tama ako dito. Kasi may 2/3 akong nabasa last time eh. Yung 2/3 of tax. Ayan. Screenshot. 16. Oh, ang galing talaga ng mga hindi nag-isip oh, basta nag-bio. Screenshot guys. So, how was it? How was it? Sige,
8.
konting rest muna, iinom akong water. Sige, kwentuhan kayo dyan. So far, 55, 60.
8 lang. 8.
Ang baba ng score
Parang
ko.
nasa kalahati
9.
lang din yung score ko, 50 plus.
9 over
50%.
16 lang.
50% lang
56%.
din ako. Taga-screenshot ako, walang laman yung brain cells. Okay lang guys, okay lang yan. Mahirap talaga pag first time, di ba? First time mo magsagot. Yeah, pasang-awa lang din ako. Ayan. Ayan. Meron pa tayong, kaya pa ba? 14, 40?
Hindi na.
Mahaba to eh. 20 to eh. 20 questions.
Ang
Yes,
utak ko.
okay na.
Masakit na mata.
Nga eh. Sakit na ng
Baka
lalamunan ko. Hoy, si Jeso gusto pa. 20 minutes pa daw.
Baka multuhin na tayo.
Rental, meron pang 3, 4, 5. Tatlo, no?
Tatlo. Sakit sa utak eh. Hirap mag-isip.
Saan lang naman mag-isa pa. Yung iba na gusto nang mag-leave, okay lang naman. Ako okay sa akin mag-extend. Sabihan nyo lang ako kung gusto nyo mag-extend. Kung majority gusto mag-extend kahit isa pa. Rental property and loss. Parang ang hirap ng rental.
Wait lang pala. Cherry, yung sinasabi ni Chris na meron siyang ibibigay na practice set, it's
Wala pa siyang
Kaylee, meron ba si Kaylee,
sinasabi.
wala instructions? Okay. Kasi sabi niya, top practice set for a week, for this
Nga
weekend.
sa
Pero
weekend, diba?
wag na lang this weekend kasi
Guys, meron kaming gagawing yung Thanksgiving concert for a cause. Nabasa nyo na. Galing sa mga TL. Naghahanap kami ng mga artist na mag-join. Pwede mag-play ng instrument, pwedeng kumanta, pwedeng sumayaw. Fundraising siya. Please join na. Bukas tayo mag-meeting 2 p.m.
Ayan daw po. Sa gustong sumali sa fundraising,
Pag inoff nyo
message
yung
nyo lang.
recording, sasabihin ko kung para kanino yung fan. Kaso naka-recording ka pa, baka marinig niya.
Okay po. O guys, press 1 kung gustong mag-continue at mag-extend yung ibang walang ginagawa. O press 2 yung uuwi na. Ayan. Kung marami naman, edi magko-continue tayo.
Uwian na kami.
2. So stop na tayo, no?
Uuwi na
Overload
sila.
na. Yeah.
We are back. Welcome to the U.S. Business Tax Preparation course brought to you by the Borderless Accountants. We are inviting you to join our community. Live training backed by U.S. CPA firm, recorded, replayable, and most importantly, it's free. To join, like and follow us on all of our social media handles from YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and fill out our unified Google form to gain access to our exclusive BA lobby on Telegram. Wanna be an intern or have the potential to be employed by our partner firms? Join us on www.borderlessaccountant.com so we can monitor your progress in our courses real time. See you there!